Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You already have essentials: an Amazon account, payment and tax info, and a mobile browser or the app. First, enable two-step verification. It protects earnings. Next, register for Amazon Associates on mobile, create a clear tracking ID tied to your niche, and fill required profile fields. Once done, choose primary promotion channels, social, blog, or video, and prepare a short content plan. Make sure to save login and associates details securely so you can start creating links immediately. Now you build and refine affiliate links on your phone. Use SiteStripe in the mobile browser or the Associates mobile dashboard to generate text, image, or short links. Deep link directly to product pages for higher conversion. Then add a visible disclosure in every post and append UTM parameters to track performance. Once links exist, craft mobile-optimized captions and thumbnails that show benefit and price. Test links in incognito to confirm correctness. Make adjustments to keywords and visuals. Finally, publish and monitor from your phone. Post links on social, short video descriptions, and mobile blog entries. Use the Associates reports to watch clicks, conversion rates, and earnings daily. Once you see trends, reallocate promotion budget or change creatives. For payouts, confirm your bank and tax settings. If something goes wrong, no commissions or broken links. First, verify your Associates ID is intact. Check link formatting and cookie settings. Then recreate links or contact Associates support if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.